So today I want to share with you guys how I helped a roofer replace their entire marketing team with this AI script. No video crew, no ad agency, just one DeepSeek prompt and a faceless 30-second video ad. And I'm going to show you how you can go out and do the same thing. And the best part about this is that they paid me $750 and the ad only took 15 minutes to generate. And all I did was use DeepSeek to write the script, and then I dropped it into a faceless video tool. No filming, no editing, no ad spend. Now, if you guys want the prompts that I'm using, just so that you're aware, they are available, and I've been replying to people who comment if they don't have them yet. So if you're looking for these, just let me know and I'll reply back to you and give you access to them. Also, the first link in the description of this video is to my course, 2-Step Profit Engine. Now, this is $12 right now today at the time of filming this, but the price is going to be increasing. You'll see a timer on the page. It's going to be going up from $12. So make sure you jump in on that before the price goes up. I'd hate to have you miss out on that just because you came in late and didn't get it when it first came out. So go grab that, and it's going to show you the entire system from start to finish, and it's incredibly affordable. I wanted to keep it within arm's reach for everyone. Okay, so DeepSeek. It's kind of like ChatGPT, but it's a better AI, in my opinion. It's built to uncover real customer pain points rather than just give you sort of like pulled data that's just kind of researched, which might be kind of what you're familiar with if you're using like ChatGPT. Also finds trends and then competitor gaps, which I really like. Like I said, unlike ChatGPT, it's not guessing at things. It's going to find what local customers are actually saying. And I'm going to show you that as we get going here and we put this prompt to the test. And you can kind of see how we use that to then sell videos and different services to local business owners. Also, it's conversion focused, and that's why it's perfect for writing ads and videos and things like that convert. So the money prompt that we use here is, what are the biggest complaints customers leave in online reviews for roofing companies in a city? So let's pop out of this presentation and let's actually put it to the test here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go into DeepSeek. I'm going to paste it in. And of course, you're going to have to then go and throw in your city name here. You're just going to replace that with the city. So for the city, we're going to type in, let's do Winter Park, Florida, and hit search. Now DeepSeek is going to go and it's going to find all of these sort of pain points that it has. So this is specific to this niche. Okay, let's go through what was generated here by DeepSeek. So poor communication and unresponsiveness. Customers frequently complain about contractors not returning calls or emails promptly, and lack of updates on project timelines or delays. We also get delays in project completion. So projects taking much longer than they initially estimated seems to be a frustrating and frequent thing that they're seeing. And then weather delays being used as excuses without proper rescheduling. I actually can relate to this because I did have the roof on my home here in Florida replaced. And that did happen quite a lot when I was getting the roof replaced, and which kind of worried me because you want to make sure that it's actually getting done so that you're not left open to the elements. Okay, shoddy workmanship. So leaks or other issues appearing, improper installation of shingles, visible cosmetic defects. Now there's a lot here. I won't read the details on all of them, but you can kind of see insurance claim issues, poor cleanup, warranty or follow-up problems, unprofessional behavior. So this is the kind of summary, and you could skip right down to this to get your ideas for, what you want to create for marketing materials, whether that be videos or ads. But to stand out, roofing companies should focus on clear communication, realistic timelines, quality craftsmanship, and thorough cleanup. And addressing these problems can significantly improve customer satisfaction in online reviews. Now, we have a bonus prompt in here. Right here, what emotional hooks would be most effective in a video ad targeting homeowners needing roof repairs? So let me show you what that looks like when we do that. So we're going to grab this, we're going to paste it in here like that. And what that's going to do is it's going to basically tell us what our content should be in the video so that we're not left trying to guess it. And that's obviously important. So to create a compelling video ad that resonates with homeowners in need of roof repairs, in Winter Park, Florida, you'll want to use emotional triggers that address their fears, frustrations, and desires. Here are the most common and effective hooks for your ad. Now it says ad, but really what they're talking about here is the video. I guess I wouldn't really consider it like a paid ad, but it's more like a post that you're going to post on social media. So fear of damage or safety concerns. A damaged roof isn't just an eyesore, it's a ticking time bomb for leaks, mold, and costly structural damage. Stress over insurance costs, regret over the wrong roofer, pride in home protection, frustration. So right here, we could, peace of mind before the next storm season, we could do this one. Don't wait for the next hurricane, get your roof inspected now before it's too late. So we could pop this into a tool like invideocreator.com. And if you go to invideocreator.com, I'm using the version 2.0 of this one. And I could pop this in here and say, I want to create a short form commercial for roofer in Winter Park, Florida, that has a hook of, put the hook there, have them call, and you can put the roofer's phone number, or if you have DialHawk, you could go to dialhawk.com and buy yourself a tracking phone number and use that, and then you can sell it on a per lead basis. Every lead that comes into this video, send it off and sell it on a per lead basis is a really great way to make even more money. And we can say, or reply yes for a free estimate. Okay, and then we can generate the video. And it's that easy. It's gonna generate you a full-blown video that you can then go and post. You can sell the video if you want to the roofing company. You can buy a DialHawk tracking phone number, and you can sell just the leads that come in from the video. So there's a lot of options, right? And that's kind of the strategy in a nutshell. So when you run this, and as you're seeing here, we're getting complaints of, like DeepSeek is telling us, the complaints are like no-shows, price surprise after work starts, poor cleanup, hard to reach anyone. And then we're getting emotional angles that we can use as hooks in our video. And by the way, guys, with that prompt that I punched into InVideo Creator, you can leave a comment below this video if you don't have them already, but I have prompts here that you can use. They're done for you. It's in a Google Doc, and you can just punch them in that way. And then I have additional kind of like done for you type stuff inside of Two-Step Profit Engine, which is going to be in the link in the description of this video. It's my $12 course, which is going up at midnight. So if you want like more help with this, you want help getting set up even faster, you have those two options as well. So what I've done is I take this sort of emotional angle and these common problems, I punch them into a tool like invideocreator.com, and I create these 30-second videos that are similar to this, right? Tired of roofing companies ghosting you? You're not alone at whatever your client's name is. We answer calls. And I also, inside of my course, guys, I teach you how to get clients as well. But this is basically the helicopter overview view. So we're researching pain points, identifying what frustrates customers most. We're adding in an emotional hook, and then we're connecting the homeowners' frustrations, and then we're presenting them a solution, which is a reliable roofer that's actually going to help them out. Now again, I made the video using AI. You can use Pictory, you can use CapCut, but there's no filming required. I use InVideoCreator.com. No filming required to make these ads, which is really cool. And then it just has stock footages coming up for the ad with overlays on the script. And then a voiceover, you can use 11 Labs, but InVideo actually has an integration built in, which is why I keep recommending InVideoCreator.com. They have this integration built in where it automatically reads the script for you, so you don't even have to connect with anything else, which is really nice. So what you do is you take these videos and either you sell the leads, connect it to a DialHawk tracking phone number, and then you sell the leads, or you sell the entire video. And you can send a message via Facebook or Instagram or email and just say something like, hey, I made you this short 30-second video ad that speaks to the top things your customers love and hate. Do you want to check it out? I can license it to you exclusively for your area. And the result, guys, is within an hour, I received a response. I made a $750 sale. And then later they asked for 2 more other services as well. So I upsold them too. And they said that it performed better than their agency's ad that they had up, which is pretty cool. So here's how to do this yourself in 3 steps to recap for you. Step 1, you're gonna ask DeepSeek for review complaints and emotional ad angles like we did and demonstrated here in this tutorial. Step 2, you're gonna turn those into a script, and you can ask ChatGPT even to polish it. Like I said, I'm not fully against ChatGPT by any means, I use it all the time, but I kind of use them more in conjunction because DeepSeek's gonna find like these emotional angles, the reviews, and then ChatGPT will polish the script. And then step 3, punch it into a tool like InVideoCreator.com, Pictory or CapCut to generate the faceless ad. And the reason why local business owners love this is, number 1, they hate writing ads. They're not good at this stuff. Number 2, they don't want to be on camera. And number 3, they just want more leads. And this delivers that without them having to lift a finger. So again, guys, if you want those prompts, it's 5 of my favorite prompts. I've been sending them out to people that comment. So if you don't have it yet, just leave me a comment. I can send it over to you. It's free. And then if you want the full system, which is like all of the templates, the video tools, how we get clients, the link is in the description to my 2-step profit engine. And that is going to be going up in price at midnight. It's only $12 right now. So make sure you jump on that. You're going to want to subscribe and make sure you hit the bell so that you don't miss out on the next video, which is we're talking about how I let DeepSeek run an entire lead gen campaign for me from start to finish. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time. I am Paul James. Peace out.